Thanks with Pantry App. Welcome to this week's Reset and Refresh Thursdays. I am excited that we are almost finished with the week and we're heading into the weekend, right? And so it's all about resetting, emptying that stress out, and just starting where you can relax over the weekend or have some fun with your family. I know this week was busy. It's back to school. So I got a recipe for you guys that is super delicious and easy for the entire family. So what we're going to do, we're going to have you leave everything outside that door, okay? I want you to step in, ready to finish the night off. You're almost there. And I want you to take one deep breath so you can get it started. And I'm going to give you some tips on relaxing to end your night. Let's get started. So look, guys, you have to get dinner ready, right? Well, that recipe I talked about is going to be a cheesy taco skillet. Oh, it is just ooey gooey. And you can still put the taco shells on the side and have the kids scoop it into the taco shell. Make it pretty fun with the sides, sour cream, chives, cilantro, whatever you guys want to use. We have picky eaters, right? So making sure that everybody is accommodated with this dish. And it's 30 minutes or less, okay? And bring the kiddos in the kitchen. Let them help you out. That is definitely going to save you a lot of time, parents. So you can do that recipe. But I also want to introduce you guys to our food prep assistants. Parents, it is going to be a busy year. We already know it, right? Where one of our services that we offer is called Food Prep Assistant. You can actually hire a chef to come to your home to prep everything. So say, for instance, you get all your meals ready, all the sides, everything. You can come and have them to prep it and be able to have it in your refrigerator, ready to go. So you can just come home and grab and cook. Man, that is a lifesaver. Guys, go check it out, pantryapp.io. I'm telling you, it is going to be life-changing for you guys. And they're using your ingredients. Did I tell you that? Yes. So you're saving a lot of money having a chef come in your home to help you out. So make sure you get that support that you need, because we all need it. Definitely to take away some stress. It doesn't have to be every day. It can be whenever you need it. Get the help. So what I'm going to do now is move into some tips. So let's just say you got your night ready to go. You got the kiddos in the bed. You ready to relax. Let's go get these tips so you can be able to enjoy the night. Okay. It's time to unwind, guys. It is just, I came into my blue room and I basically said to myself, I got through the day. There are times where, sometimes the mental load is so much that you can't handle it. Today, I wore my Cozumel, Mexico shirt because, it just brings me back to a place where I was relaxed and I had a good time and I was enjoying the space I was in. And today, I want you to take a moment to just think about a place that you've been and think about a place that you want to go, that you've been admiring to go. And always bring yourself to a safe place if you feel overwhelmed. I'm going to say that the 3 phrases that makes me grounded, where I'm de-stressing. And, sometimes people feel guilty. You don't have to feel guilty. You just know that you've done your job. You've done what you were supposed to do and you got it done. So say to yourself, I am safe. I am here. And I'm allowed to rest. You deserve it. You worked extremely hard. And you have to be proud of yourselves. So make sure you take time to yourself. Open up the place that gives you that peace, making sure it's comfortable. And always, always be grateful for every single thing that you've done, because sometimes people can't get it done, and sometimes it's so hard. So taking those moments and just congratulating yourself just for the little things. It doesn't have to be major. I got through Wednesday and today is Thursday, right? It just can be the smallest thing. So I am safe. I am here. I am allowed to rest. Thank you guys. I really, really want to appreciate you coming. And I want to say enjoy your weekend because, you know, life is something to celebrate. And you guys are stepping into the weekend with best intentions. I will see you next week. And I'm going to kick off my shoes. And I am going to relax on my couch. And I'm going to say, have a good night. Bye.